Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. At this moment, if you look at today, someone in a parking lot run the key all the way here and down here. This line was running all the way. How we can fix it? These are superficial lines and they are on the first coat. If you look at on this area, it's already cleaned up. Let me show you what things we need. I'm going to use some of these tools and I'm going to list in the description, so please check it out. And these are really handy when it comes to DIY project. And this is the ultimate compound, and we're going to put it some compound on this one and then we're going to rub it. You will see the magic, it will start disappearing. So first we're going to place the compound. Now make sure that it's very clean, you wash it, and now we're going to run it right on top of the line. As you can see, just for one or two times of running, the line is start to getting disappeared. So that compound really works well. If you look at now, just like 30 to 40 seconds, we buff it really well. We need a microfiber cloth and we're going to just clean it. Look at this. There is no more line. I haven't used any other chemical. And after wiping it off, now we're going to do the waxing. And look at this. All the line is disappeared. And now if you look at the line over here, the big line, this is a little deep scratches, but this will go away as well. Now we're going to use the cleaner wax to place it right on top where we use the compound on that line. So let it dry off for a couple minutes. Then we're going to clean up with the microfiber cloth. We're just going to buff it off. This one is pretty deep and we're going to try it with the compound again. Worked really well. And let's see on this one. After doing for 20-30 seconds, as I mentioned earlier, this one seems pretty deep. Maybe we're going to do it a second coat. At least it's much better than initially what we seen it. So we're going to do it one more time. So this is the final step. We don't need to wash it, just buff it up with the microfiber cloth. And look at that. There's no more line. That's very shiny. And it looks like there was no scratch at all. I hope this video will help you out and motivate you if you have the sketches and you can do it the same way like what I have done it. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And as I mentioned, I will list the part number in the description. So please check it out. Thank you.